Nowadays, driving security is increasingly challenged due to rapid growth of vehicle ownership and more distractions, such as phone calls inside and outside the car. Statistics show that with a 0.6-second warning in advance, 60% of front collision accidents can be avoided, and the ratio goes up to 90% if the warning is 1.5 seconds in advance. To decrease car collisions, JIMU Intelligent headquartered in Wuhan launched their JIMU Zhixing ADS driver assistant based on self-developed leading computer vision and graphic processing technology, which can reduce vehicle collisions by issuing early warnings to allow for critical time to react if the system detects an impending hazard. JIMU Zhixing driver assistant consists of 3 components: a main unit, a warning display unit, and a smart sensor. All 3 components can be easily installed without breaking the car's primary circuit. Zhixing driver assistant can monitor the traffic situations in front of the vehicle and issue visual and audible warnings before a possible collision, allowing for enough time to react. Zhixing will issue forward collision warnings up to 2.7 seconds by default before a possible collision with a series of emergency beeps and a flash of a red car icon on the display unit. Headway monitoring warning. When driving behind a vehicle, Zhixing driver assistant can monitor the headway distance to the vehicle in front. Failure to stay headway will evoke Zhixing to issue a headway warning. Headway monitoring warnings will be issued up to 0.8 seconds by default before the collision with a series of beeps, a car icon, and headway distance in seconds on the display unit. Headway monitoring warnings could help drivers develop better driving habits. Lane departure warning. Studies show that unintentional lane departure caused by fatigue driving or distractions contribute to most highway collision deaths. JIMU Zhixing can detect the lane markings when the vehicle is about to depart from current lane unintentionally without using turning signals.
车道偏离
The system will issue beeps alerts and visual alerts in the form of left or right flashing lane marking. Lane departure warnings will also prompt drivers to form a good habit of activating the turn signal before departures. Unintentional forward-moving warning. JIMU Zhixing supports unintentional forward-moving warning function. When a vehicle moves forward because of unintentional brake release during traffic jams or at a traffic light, JIMU Zhixing will issue alerts to prevent possible collisions. Front vehicle moving warning. JIMU Zhixing features a front vehicle moving warning function. When the driver fails to notice the vehicle in front moving forward because of a distraction during traffic jams or at a traffic light, JIMU Zhixing will issue alerts so that the driver will not miss any green lights. Besides, JIMU Zhixing implements the sub-meter bezel positioning technology from Qianxun positioning that could acquire accurate car speed without breaking the car's primary circuit, providing the basis for Zhixing to issue accurate collision warnings. Also supports inertial navigation, which makes it possible to provide positioning information even in weak signal environment, such as elevated highway or tunnels. As a driving assistance system, the functions of Zhixing are not limited to collision reduction via early alerts. It also features in-car hotspot, radar detection, voice navigation, vehicle recording and one-touch speedy snapshot. Zhixing can perform as an in-car hotspot. Its speedy and stable network can fully meet your mobile internet requirements. Zhixing could function as a radar detector to detect whether the vehicle speed is being monitored.
前方300米有违章和限速拍照，限速60，当前车速61。
As a result, the driver can reduce the car's speed before being tipped for speeding. Zhixing Driver Assistant provides voice navigation service with its real-time traffic information. Drivers can bypass congestion sections. Zhixing Driver Assistant can work as a vehicle recorder. Drivers can check recorded videos in smartphone apps, which is Wi-Fi direct connected to Zhixing main unit and will not consume any charged cellular data. Zhixing Driver Assistant supports one-touch speedy snapshot function, making it safer and easier to keep your moment. Since its foundation, JIMU team has always insisted on the philosophy of making driving safer, striving to reduce car accidents and safeguard every single driver with the latest technology. JIMU makes driving safer.